Wanna know how to change your Java platform for your Java version in your current project? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So, if you have a newer version of JDK installed and if you want to change it to older version as well, this video will help you out. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, make sure you have a NetBeans opened up. And once you're there, on the left side, you should be seeing projects. Just simply select it. And once you have selected project, here you should be seeing Maven project 1 or any project that you had created. So you can just simply right click on it by selecting the project, and down here you should be seeing properties. Just simply select it. And once you've done that, here you should be seeing compile right here. That should be on your build. So if it's not there, just simply select this arrow icon. You should open up build and select compile. Now, under Java platform, you should be seeing JDK24, which is default. Now, you can just simply select this drop down box right here and choose from the installed ones. So if you don't see it, just simply select manage right here. And once upon that, here you can just simply select the classes, sources, and much more. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.